This one is not glamorous, but it is so important. Before I go on any trip, I turn off the water inside my house. I know what you're thinking. Melissa, why would I do that? Because what if something fails while you're gone? A washing machine hose, a toilet fill valve, a pipe under the sink? It happens more than you think. And you come home to a flooded house and a ruined vacation memory. Turn off your water. Your future self will thank you. Personally, we have known friends who have had this happen, and it's thousands of dollars in repairs. It's super easy to do, and it gives you total peace of mind while you're away. So find the valve, usually in a closet, sometimes in a basement. It's got a handle on it and it says water, turn off valve. Number 2, stop your mail. And I don't just mean letters, I mean packages too. You guys, a pile of boxes on your doorstep is basically a neon sign that says, nobody's home, take my packages. You can put a hold on your mail right there at USPS.gov. It's very easy to do. For packages, most carriers like UPS and FedEx, they have hold options too. But even better, ask someone you trust to just swing by and pick everything up. It gives your house that someone is here look. Don't forget to tell them about any packages you're expecting. This part is easy to do. And bonus, if they will turn a light on when they arrive, and the next time they check your mail, they turn the light off. Again, it shows activity in your home. Number 3, and this goes right along with that, charge your Ring Doorbell or whatever smart doorbell you have. Here's the thing, if someone comes to your door while you're in another country, you can see them, you can speak to them, and they have no idea that you're not standing 10 feet away from that door. It has come in handy for us so many times. A delivery driver, a neighbor, even someone who just knocked on the wrong house. You just never know. So make sure it's fully charged before you leave. Leave a comment below if you do this. Number 4, clean your house. Yes, clean your house. Clean sheets on the bed, clean the bathroom, put the dishes in the dishwasher and start it. Make sure the kitchen's clean, your bedroom's clean, your bathroom's clean, and those clean sheets are waiting for you when you get home. When we typically get home after a week of travel, or even a long weekend of travel, climbing in your own bed, you look forward to it on your entire flight home, being back in your own bed. And what makes that even better? Clean sheets. So, number 4, clean your house before you leave. Number 5, double check your travel essentials before you zip that bag. I have a whole system for this. If you haven't seen my flight essentials video, I will link it right here. I go through every single thing I pack for a flight, my MacGyver kit, my comfort items, my organizational pouches, everything has a place. Because here's what happens. You're in the middle seat, it's dark, you're far from the bathroom, and you need to find something fast. If you have a system, and I mean a real system like this, you can find what you need in the dark or very low lighting. Have you seen that video yet? What's in your carry-on that you cannot travel without? Drop it in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. Number 6, book a walking tour. This is one of my favorites on this list, and it might also be the most important. When I arrive in a foreign country, especially somewhere new to me, I book a walking tour the very first day. Now, I know what you're thinking, Melissa, that's just sightseeing. And yes it is, but it's also a safety strategy. That tour guide now knows who I am. They have my name, they know I showed up, and after the tour, I have a local person's number in my WhatsApp. Someone who knows the area, someone who speaks the language, someone I can call if I need help, a hospital, directions, anything. What if something happened and you needed help in a country where you don't speak the language? What if you needed someone to call on your behalf? A local contact on day 1 is priceless. Book the tour, get the number. It is worth every single penny. Number 7, and this one, you guys, most travelers don't even know about this. Take photos of your passport your travel documents, your travel insurance information, your travel credit cards, and put them in a hidden folder right here on your phone's photo album. Here's why this is genius. It's private, it's safe, and it does not depend on Wi-Fi. So if you're in a situation where you've lost your physical passport, and I hope that never happens to you, but you will have your information right here on your phone, offline, hidden from anyone who might pick up your phone. I have mine set where only my face can open it, so it's completely safe. I just think this is so smart. I love this idea. I can't believe I went years without doing this, but I'm so glad I'm doing it now. Number 8, download your Airalo eSIM before you travel. This is something I do every trip now. What is an eSIM? An eSIM is an electronic SIM card for your phone. It doesn't require you to remove your physical SIM card if you have one. Most new phones only have the eSIMs in them. But it's so simple. You download the app, you pick where you're going, you decide on what kind of data plan you want. You go ahead and you load it. You download it onto your phone before you even leave the house. And then once you land in the country, you just turn it on and you have instant data. With Airalo, you get a local data plan for wherever you're going. No SIM card swapping, no crazy roaming fees. You download it right to your phone before you even leave. You land, you connect, and you're good to go. No hunting for a SIM vendor at the airport when you're already tired and dragging and just want to get to your accommodations. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. It's super easy, it's super helpful, especially in countries where you don't want to be searching for Wi-Fi just to get directions. With our link, you will get a discount, but shop around. If you can find a larger discount elsewhere, take advantage of that. Number 9, give your travel details to someone you trust. Someone that's going to notice if they don't hear from you. And not just a text, hey, I'm heading to Rome. Details, flight numbers, hotel names and phone numbers, travel itinerary. This time of our lives, we're busy, and all of our friends and family are busy too. And we just want to look out for each other. So take the time to write down the details and share them with someone you trust. Along with that, add a little note. Hey, if you don't hear from me in a couple of days, just check on me. Especially if you're a solo traveler, this is so important. Number 10, pack an extra lip gloss. I'm kidding. Well, I will pack an extra lip gloss because, as you know, I have the driest lips on earth. But seriously, number 10, pack an extra credit card in an RFID pouch. Your credit card may stop working. You may lose it. A teller machine may eat it. You just never know. So always pack an extra travel credit card and make sure you pick one with no foreign transaction fees. Be creative when you're traveling. Think through the what ifs. Take some time while you're planning for your trip or you're sitting at the gate and just think through the what ifs. Thank you so much for sticking with us today. If you found value in this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you think you have friends who would be interested in this type of content, click the share button. Clicking the like button tells YouTube, hey, somebody else may like this. Let's show other people Wayne Melissa travel videos. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.